Welcome back. The images that we just showed you essentially showing the situation currently in Gujarat and the dramatic rescue operations that are underway in some of the worst affected regions. Over 20,000 people have been evacuated so far. The death toll unfortunately climbing up as Gujarat has been reeling under torrential downpour like nothing it's ever seen before. And there's a red alert issued for more rain coming Gujarat's way. The NDRF, SDRF, the Indian Army, they've all been deployed in the worst hit areas for joint rescue operations that have been continuing for the last many days.
Waterlogged streets, overflowing rivers, and extensive infrastructure damage. Gujarat is reeling under relentless rainfall. Vadodara, Jamnagar, Rajkot and Saurashtra are among the worst hit areas.
राजकोट के कई जो इलाके हैं उसमें जलभराव की स्थिति है वो देखने को मिल रही है और राजकोट का जंगलेश्वर विस्तार है वहाँ की स्थिति बेहद ही गंभीर है और राजकोट लोगों की छाती तक पानी है वो पहुंच चुका है। सीधे दृश्य आप देख सकते हैं राजकोट के जंगलेश्वर इलाके से जो अपने व्हीकल से अपने टू व्हीलर से वो पानी इसमें से निकल रहे हैं और यहाँ पर स्थिति है वो बहुत गंभीर है।
People in flood-hit locations were seen rushing to safety, wading through waist-deep water. Army units have been deployed in Saurashtra to aid in the rescue and relief efforts alongside NDRF and SDRF teams. Emergency services like hospitals are also impacted.
अब तक तकरीबन 19 इंच जो बारिश है वो दर्ज की गई है, जिसके चलते जो नडियाद के निचले इलाके हैं वहां पर जल भरा हुआ है। हम यहाँ पर जो ये आप दृश्य देख रहे हैं वो नडियाद का मेन बाजार संतराम टावर का जो बाजार है वो है, जहां पर घुटनों से भी ज्यादा जो है वो पानी लबालब यहाँ पर भरा हुआ है। यहाँ पर लोगों की दुकानों तक ये पानी घुस गया है।
The state is bracing for what could be an even more challenging period ahead. The weather department has issued warnings of even more rainfall in the coming days. With Hetal Shah in Gujarat, Bureau Report, India Today.
And let's get to all the images coming in from Gujarat that sums up how bad really the situation is in the state currently. In Panchmahal, heavy rains led to a dramatic night rescue operation where a child was saved from rising flood waters. The incident highlights the ongoing challenges and risks posed for rescue officials. Lives constantly at stake and there's no time to rest. In Jamnagar, a man stranded on a pole amid rising floodwaters was rescued using a chopper. The relentless Gujarat raids have left many people trapped, and it shows you how bad the situation currently is. In Vadodara, an Air Force chopper rescued a man who was stranded on the Mahisagar riverbank surrounded by the surging waters. These images from Rajkot, where a pregnant woman was rescued from a waterlogged area. NDRF and SDRF teams are actively engaged in the ongoing rescue operation. So are the local cops. A family of four was stranded when their car got stuck in a flooded drain in Jamnagar. They climbed onto the car's roof desperate for help and they were rescued from the people gathering at nearby buildings to reach them. These are images from Kutch, which is typically a desert area, completely flooded because of the heavy rainfall. Roads have been closed off, several areas cut off now. In Sabarkanta also, village is completely underwater as the Mesur River has reached the danger level. Water levels have surged due to rainfall in the Aravali, causing powerful currents. The Ramnath Mahadev temple in Rajkot completely flooded. The entire area now underwater, making it impossible for anyone to go close to the temple or nearby. And look at this, vehicles being swept away as water, in fact, water levels have gone up in Bohta district as well. And this is a result of non-stop rainfall. The Met Department has warned that there will be more heavy rains in the next few days. NDRF teams are conducting rescue operations in Valsad from low-lying areas, with the Met Department predicting more rain. Also, a lot of precautionary evacuations that are taking place from several districts.